In a world with discerning consumers who demand choices and individuality, how do you break into a new, untapped market, redefining the way that musical instrument manufacturers and musicians think of custom drums? BitWizards and Mapex drums made it happen. Consumers of all markets today are looking to purchase products that are a direct reflection of their personality, individuality, and taste. Everyone has different styles and needs, and businesses that understand this and are offering more options to consumers are reaping the rewards. Customization has always been possible in the past, but typically required either additional products or services from any number of third-party businesses. This meant consumers needed to invest additional time, effort, and money if they wanted to customize their product. Today, however, with the power of technology and advanced market research, some manufacturers are able to allow their consumers to customize their product prior to purchase through a single experience. This eliminates the extra time and effort needed from the consumer and significantly reduces the costs involved, all while giving them the complete control over the end product that they are looking for. It is not hard to see why this is a successful solution.
We see examples of this in other markets as well. We see it in the car market, where historically custom cars or any kind of detailing work was done at local shops or was available only with the true boutique premium brands. Whereas now a customer can go to any number of car companies, whether it be Scion or Mini, and they can choose from a wide array of prearranged options that allow them to create a custom feel. Historically, custom drums in our market have only been achievable by the customer who can truly afford them, the real high-end premium customer, those who can afford $3,000 and up for a musical instrument. They were also forced to wait for anywhere between 8 and 10 months for that product to be delivered. So customers were forced to spend a significant amount of money only not to have a return on that investment for almost a year.
To give the users the full experience needed for the project, we were faced with many challenges, with the end goal being a robust web application with high availability, high performance, and an exceptional user experience. We had to choose our technologies and solutions wisely. Here's what we were faced with. We needed a robust hosting platform with high availability and high performance to handle the load of the application with large amounts of traffic anticipated. Also, a storage and distribution solution to handle over 4,800 images that had to be served on an immediate basis. A highly usable interactive UI, an enterprise-class database server, the ability to sync product data from an on-premise instance of Microsoft Exapta, the ability to combine images of a custom drum kit into a single composite image, a way to store all data of a consumer's custom kit to the database, the ability to generate PDF invoices on the fly, the ability to provide a geolocation-based search to allow consumers to find dealers that are close to them, and lastly, a content management system that would aid in the development and provide an effective way to allow Mapex to be self-sufficient after the project was completed. So let's talk about the solutions. We started with the infrastructure and we chose the Windows Azure platform. Windows Azure provided the robust platform we were looking for and met the high availability and high performance requirements. We also decided on SQL Azure for the database due to its enterprise-class offering, cloud platform, and its integration with Windows Azure. When it came to the storage and distribution requirements, we again leveraged Azure technologies, this time using Windows Azure Storage with the Azure CDN enabled. This complete cloud-based infrastructure handled all the needs of the project, as well as provided instant scalability. With the infrastructure decisions made, we turned to the content management system, and for that we chose Kentico CMS. Kentico CMS is an enterprise-class content management system that is built on the .NET framework with full native support for Windows Azure. It provides a framework within itself that reduces development time and costs. It also provides a simple and intuitive interface that gives Mapex full control over managing the content and settings for the application. Now with infrastructure and content management system good to go, what about the application itself? The jQuery JavaScript framework was leveraged in conjunction with Microsoft.NET Ajax to provide a seamless, fast, and complete experience for the consumers. Custom C# was written to combine images for sharing on social networks, as well as generating PDF invoices on the fly. JSON serialization techniques were used to save and load custom drum kits to the database. A SQL stored procedure was written for the dealer search functionality, and an SSIS package was created and installed to sync the data from the on-premise Microsoft Exapta to the SQL Azure database.
The Mapex Drums MyDentity program enables drummers to customize their drum sets. They can choose from a number of different options, from shell finish to hardware color to wood type, to drum size. All totaled, the number of possible combinations totals over 500 million, giving the consumer a wide array of options. With the MyDentity program, we were able to achieve much lower price points, less than half of the typical custom kit on the market, and with lead times approximating 30 days. Unlike the car industry, the music products industry is fairly fragmented in its distribution channels. We've got suppliers, we've got distributors in each market, we've got both independent and chain retailers, none of whose systems talk to each other. We can only know what the activity is at an independent retailer once we receive orders from them to refill their stock. We only see the consumer activity once the dealer replenishes their inventory by placing an order with us. That was one of the major challenges with the MyDentity project. We needed to enable the player to have a custom experience, give them the options required to design their own custom kit, but then we needed to connect them with a retailer or a dealer in order to complete the purchase. The goal of the MyDentity website was to allow a player to customize their kit, have fun on the website, and then make that purchase with one of our independent partner retailers. After completing their design, we provide a list of retailers within the consumer's geographical area as well as a list of e-commerce dealers. The consumer contacts the dealer, requests a quote, the dealer completes the quote, and submits the order to us. If the consumer is not ready to purchase, or perhaps if they're just having fun on the site, they're able to share their custom design with friends via Facebook, through Twitter, through email. They're able to email their parents, their wish list for Christmas perhaps. So as a result of all the sharing capability, the best reward for us is that our consumers, our customers, are actually doing our marketing for us.